Hi, Kinder One families. We're doing a little science experiment today. Now, I'm not dressed up as Axl Rose, I'm a pirate. And we are going to make some amazing pirate treasure maps today. So, I've got some paper, I've got a pencil, I'm going to quickly draw a map. This is the track you need to walk along. Where is it? X marks the spot. Add some trees. Add a hut. This is my map. Now, I'm going to turn this into some old-fashioned paper. So I'm going to crunch it up. Crunch, 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 crunch. And then, because I'm the parent, I'll make the choice, but you should ask your parent for some coffee. We're going to get a little bit of coffee in a clear plastic container. I have no idea. Maybe a spoonful. 2 spoonfuls. We'll see how we go. Okay. And then ask an adult to help you. You need to get some hot water. Just a touch. Now, I would recommend you doing it on a flat surface, Kinder One, with your mum and dad only, or your grandparent, whoever. Now, a touch of hot water, but not too much, because we don't want to burn our fingers. See all the steam coming off? A bit hot. Now I'm going to cool it down with some cool water from a jug, just a touch, so it's not so hot. And get your mum or dad or your nanny to check it for you with your finger. That's not too hot. Okay, so here's my spoon. I'm going to stir it around. So the coffee powder and the water have mixed together, and see how, a bit of a yucky brown colour. We're going to get our scrunched up piece of paper and we're going to drop it in the water. Probably don't scrunch it up as much as Tammy just did. Just a little bit opened. We're just dipping it around a little bit in the water. But we don't want to leave it in there for too long because it'll go mushy and we won't be able to use it. Okay. And then we have an old-fashioned type of treasure map. Now I'm going to leave it to dry on my dish rack in my kitchen. And later on I'll share a picture with you on how it went. Maybe when it dries, you can go over the pencil map that you made with a black text up, because if we put the texture in the water it could leak. And then you can share it with me and show me how your pirate treasure map went, because coming up we're going to have our pirate fairy treasure dress up day, and I want you to have heaps of accessories ready at home for the whole day to be fun.